We will show you how you can quickly alternate the auxiliary fuel tank with the storage box and back. It should be a swap for 5, maximum 10 minutes. 690 and GasGas, they have the seat locks here, so we need to remove them to be able to get out the tank. Yeah? So you prepare the side key number 13 and the Torx number 30. Here is a pin, so it's enough to put just away this pin, yeah, and the rest could stay there. And you dismount the seat lock. On the right side, be careful because here is a plastic hook, yeah. So in order to don't destroy it, you have to be very careful, and you put the Torx carefully, yeah, and then you use the side key to release the seat lock. So the ideal case now is that the auxiliary tank is empty, because then when you release it here, the fuel line, you get only a few drops. If there is some gas, okay, it will spill a little bit, but we will handle it too. Now we suggest you close the petcock, you prepare any M6 bolt, a little bit longer is better. You put away the sleeve, you take it out, you put inside the M6 bolt, you take away the sleeve, and now you will take out the tank. One remark, here is the holder that has the rivet nuts. Yeah, it could happen that yours is without the rivet nuts, so you got in a package the one with the rivet nuts. So just change it. This is only one-time change, and then you will use it forever. Now we take the storage box, we put it inside, we take the M5 bolts, and we bolt on the storage box. Now we put back the seat locks again. And then the swap is done. This is the CPC fuel coupling, which is not including in the storage bundle set, but it's extra add-on. But it is elegant solution how to disconnect the auxiliary tank from the main tank without spilling the fuel around. Because the coupling has a stop and stop vent on each side, so when you disconnect it, it will stop the fuel on both sides. Now you see the fuel coupling already installed. Yeah, we recommend the female goes to the auxiliary tank and the male to the main tank. When you need to disconnect the tanks, you just press it here and you disconnect it, and then no fuel anywhere because there is stop-stop as we said, and you can take out the auxiliary tank and alternate with the storage.